coaching thought for the day. So, in my tips for how to become an instructional coach, today's tip is go ahead and start doing instructional coaching. So, even if you are not yet in a position where you are a full-time instructional coach, I would recommend go ahead and find some teachers to start mentoring, to start helping teachers on your team or new teachers to your building, people that you can reach out to, and you can start implementing some instructional coaching. Start building relationships, start asking if they need help with brainstorming or implementing anything. Being a support and a help to teachers is what coaching is all about. So you don't have to wait until you have that title. Go ahead and do it. And then what's really great about that is when time comes for your interview, then what you can do is you can start reaching and sharing experiences, even though you aren't having instructional coaching experiences yet as a full-time role. You can still share what you've been doing to help build up those skills in yourself and have some real world examples and results that you can share as well. So, tip for today, start doing instructional coaching work even as a classroom teacher.